I'm V, and this is the Ratcheting Raven. Today we're going to be upgrading the entire cooling system on my 91 Mazda RX-7. So basically what I've got is, I've got a Koya radiator, I've got a new water pump, new thermostat, lots of new hoses. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I went to drive it about a month ago, and it was squirting fluid out through here, not cooling, would get hot, like it was running really hot. It was just acting kind of weird. And a little backstory is this stock radiator that's in here, this sensor, a piece of it broke off before I got the car. A piece of this broke off. Most of it was gotten out, but it's believed that a large chunk of plastic is still somewhere in the radiator. So I think that it's probably causing a clog somewhere in the system. So I'm gonna take it all out and hopefully fix it. If not, we'll go from there. But I'm pretty certain that this is going to fix me up because I cannot wait to drive my beautiful car again. I miss her so much. Okay, so first things first, in order to give myself some more room, I'm gonna take out the air box, and over there, I'm gonna take out the battery and the battery box. That way I'm not struggling and angry in about 30 minutes. About the stupidest hose clamp I have ever seen in my entire life. Oh my God. I can go get a screwdriver if I have a short enough screwdriver. My workout today is making like everything just ridiculously awful. Moving around is kind of a challenge at this point. Who knows when the last time this was flushed, but gross. I should have stated this, but I've already drained the cooling system. So yeah, you definitely want to start with that. Oh my God, that's stuff on there. It's a stupid plastic clip. Ah, much better. So, I don't know if I've said this, maybe I have, maybe I haven't. This would be a lot easier if I could get this out, but there is a stripped 10 millimeter bolt, and it's just kind of stupid to get to, because it's really like down sloped, so yeah. Anyways. All right, that only took incredibly too long, to be honest with you. Fan shroud finally out. So, to my knowledge, there is oh, there's the bleeder screw. Well, I couldn't see it, but yeah, the sucker is out, and it was gunky and nasty. Oh my god, look how nasty that is. I'm going to guess that this hasn't been flushed since the car was made. I don't know if I can get this other one over here or not. Yeah, look at that. Gross. Like I said, there is a drain pan down there. I'm not just pouring this in the floor. All right. Now I gotta get this fan off. Got a lot more room now. Not to work back there, you know, of course, but like up here. Okay, so the bolts on this clutch fan are absolutely stripped out. I will try to show you. I don't know if you can see. Not really. Trust me, they're stripped out. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to do about that, because I have to get those bolts off in order to get the fan off. So yeah, totally forgot to hit record before I started taking this off. So the first two are already done. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Look at all that. And the thermostat. Yeah, that's gross. Like, this thing has not been drained since 91. It has not. Okay, so I realized that I had music playing that I had forgot to turn off, so I had to mute the audio on this bit because I didn't want to get like a violation or anything. So if you want to know what I was listening to, just imagine Depeche Mode playing in the background. The fan was quite difficult to get off. I kept spinning, the nuts are in a weird spot and all that, but I finally do get it off right now.
wiggle, wiggle, it comes off, and all my struggle was worth it. Look at that. The fan is off.